Morning guys, October 20th, 2023. Sitting here, I got a call from a lady. I did a service on this boiler about a month ago, I guess, oil boiler. And I was there, we had a good oil flow, we had a good spark. It does have a power venter. And she says the power venter's running, but it won't fire up. She says she's got half a tank of oil, so it's not the oil. I mean, it could be the pump, might be a delayed oil valve solenoid, could be no spark, might be a bad nozzle went woke on us. I don't know. We'd have to go. We're gonna go by there and see if we can figure out why she's getting no heat. Sometimes it's the power venter. The tube gets full of muck in there, and it's not pulling a good vacuum. Could be that. The tube on a power venter, I've seen that happen before. It could be a bad CAD cell. We'll try to figure out what's ailing this thing and fix it for us. She's got no hot water. It's a oil-fired boiler. It's got a tankless, no hot water, no heat. Been about a month. So we'll see if we get any oil. We'll check for spark. This should fire up to about 100. And we'll check the spark. We're getting oil. We're getting oil. We're getting spark. Check the head. That's still good. Might be the nozzle. It's possible. Going wacky on us. Only been in there a month. Oh, you just never know. Let's see if it fires now. We're fine with the gap. see what our pressure is here. Go up with it a little bit, our pressure. Go up to 140 with the pressure. Give it a little bit more. How you doing? See if it fires now. It should. Just a bad nozzle. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. Bad nozzle. Feeder might have been stuck. Oh, that gauge is no good. Could be that this motor is starting to hack up. She says that it was. She says that this shut off. This shuts off. The whole thing's gonna shut off. This has to run. Just don't run. Ain't nothing gonna run. This has to run, Mama. It's a control inside. Sometimes the controls go bad. This is an old motor. Unless it's off on limit or something. You gotta know the sequence of operation.